today I'm going to discuss about jobs and positions. Go to request a new position.
So request a new position means we are going to create a new position, something like that.
Yes.
Okay.
When does this new position start? You can write as 1. What's the reason for this request? Reorganization continue.
So in this drop down, we can add no additional values if you want.
Sorry?
The actions were only one reason. But if you want for a implementation or a customer point of view, if you want to add additional values, we can add.
Where we can add additional values? I didn't get it.
No, in the action reason. Action and action reason, no? We can add additional values.
You can add additional values, but it's been action and action reasons is a table which is given, and you're supposed to add that table and write that thing. So write the action and action reasons for that position.
Okay.
It is not a lookup. It is like mostly. It's not a lookup. Action is a table. It's a backend table. Cancel this operation. Just show it to you again.
So how we can update this? We'll have access to that. So thinking that if we want to update some additional values, how we can do?
Where is the action and actually I'm not discussing about that first, Kale.
No. Where I'm just asking where we can add like that.
I will show you the table because right now it's position now. So let me complete this topic and then I'll go to that because why to skip on that one thing I'm teaching you again, the other thing will go the other way. Main campus location you can say, and you can attach the grades over here. Entry grade.
Okay.
So US_manager is a position that I have created. Request a position change or position details.
Okay.
When does the position start? The same cheese here. It's all the same cheese. Request a new position. Suppose what's the reason of this request? It's the same thing.
Okay.
Cancel this. Okay, now done. We have done with this grade, grades, grade letters, manage grades. We have done. These are all things we have done. Trees we have done.
Okay.
Trees we have done. Enterprise estimates of which this we have done. Security profile we have not done. So we'll start with this. This we have not done. Data roles and security profile. This we have not done. Okay, so like. So now when we talk about you can see action regions. Your question comes.
Okay, action.
So the action regions. It can be an accident. It can be compensation. It can be anything. Retirement, contingent worker. What is the contingent worker? Employee work relationship, employment terms, work relationship, employment terms, and non-worker, pending worker, adding workload, adding work relationship to the manager, work relationship, additional work relationship for employee, additional work relationship for non-worker. So these are the things, and you have a code. So this is the action region. If you want to add a new one, it's more like a lookup. So when you add to it, add the code as, suppose I'm transferring an employee. So write it as a transfer.
Okay.
And description you write here, transfer. Name right here, US_.
Transfer.
Okay, context value you can add. Submit.
Okay.
Submit. Okay, so this is the action regions that we have created. Now going to assignment status. So this is the assignment status that we have created. If you want active payroll eligible, active non-payroll, active.
Yeah, this I remember.
Add status, you can write it like this: do not process. So you have to create the active payroll status also. So you can do it
Okay.
like this. Then we have what? Location details. Location details. Now go to add and create a location. When does this location start? When are you creating? Why are you creating this location? Reorganization continue. And then we have location. We can put it in the common set. You create a location, which is the underscore suppose California or something. Now you can add the address of this location. Dallas, Texas, you can write. So I'm submitting the details.
Okay.
So this is the, so we have done with the location. Manage grade. So I'm going to teach it today. I'm going to teach you the security profile, all the security profiles. Okay. So we were discussing about key flex fields and descriptive text field the other day. Okay. So like when we talk about descriptive text field and key flex fields.
Okay.
So today we are going to discuss about this thing. Yeah, click. Now go to setup and maintains. Okay, now we are going to select about workforce structures. Go to search. Just create a new one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I have not added again the same mistake. You have to select the offerings also, no? Okay, now going to
Okay.
search. It's not coming. Okay, just let's take somebody else's.
Okay.
Now it's coming. See.
Yes.
Okay, actions. Select any text field. So in account fee text field, we have in general ledger we have accounting text field, asset fee text field, and accounting text field. Okay.
Okay.
But in human resources we have search it on this thing. In human resources we have not human, global HR. Global HR. We have only cost allocation flexibility. So I have to search for cost.
Okay.
We have only two flexibility.
Okay.
See, now it is coming. Application name is global payroll.
Okay.
Application name is global payroll. That is why it was not coming. Code is cost. And cost allocation flexibility. No, that's why I was putting an error. Now go to manage structures. Yes, this we have done now. So I will show you again. Say this again. Same thing. You have done the things. These things. Structure code you can write as US_ cost allocation.
Okay.
Name you can write here as US_. Delimiter like this. You can put it like this. Excel. Save and close. Go to actions. Save. Actions, create segments. If you want to create 2 segments, segment code, you can write cost. This we have done now, so I will not show it again. I'll just show you the details. Cost code. Oh, why it is going negative? Okay, save and close.
Okay.
So, cost allocation flexibility. This is the create another. Do cost number. You can say cost number name. What second segment? What can be the second segment? See, what can be the second segment? Cost name, cost code and cost allocation means क्या हो सकता है?
Costing department, something like that.
No, department नहीं. इसमें आएगी cost name भी कर सकते हैं. You can put it as cost name, cost code, cost name, shop prompt, right? Cost name, display width.
Segment one we used, no, for the other one.
We used just a second, 50 characters. Cost name, okay. Segment 2, okay. So this is created cost name and cost code, save and close. Now this flexible disk cost code and cost name is created. Now save and close. Okay, done. Now what is happening? What will happen? This flexible disk can now go to
Manage
structure instances. If you want to create a manage key file structure instances, if you want to create structure instances, you can create it this way. Or if you want to create deploy flex, you have to deploy this flex field. Without deploying, the flex field will not be functional.
Okay.
Error in deployment. What is the errors? now go to
No, I think you have given the range for the flex field, high or low.
Because I never thought that this it shows an error. Okay, I'll just create a new one. Okay. I'll just create one segment. I will not create another one. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, again, I'm creating the cancel. That means there are no such text field in the database.
Okay. How can it will be there? No, anyway, because it's standard, right?
Sorry?
This because the job, everything is standard, right? Job.
This time, they see this. So many flex fields are there. See.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying why it is not coming. There are many descriptive flex fields. See, सबका deployment status.
Okay.
Global HR, there is no flex field. ग्लोबल पेरोल में है क्या या जॉब्स में होगा? हाँ, सी
Okay.
okay, search. That means there is no flex field inside this. For this model, there is no flex field.
Okay.
That's the only thing. Search. Because I wanted to show you now that if you create a flex field, whatever flex, suppose it's sensible flex field. Okay, anyways, we'll do this later on. I'll see what is the problem that's going on. I'll show you how to do this. First of all, now you
Okay.
have to create a key flex field. Okay, I showed it to you. You created a key flex field. You have to deploy that key flex field. Okay. Once it
Yeah.
is deployed, okay, you have to deploy it. Then you have to, what you have to do? Then you have to enable this. Go to home.
Okay.
Go to highlight flex field.
Okay.
Once you do this, go to where do you want to enable that thing? Go to my client group and you have to enable that thing. Then go to my client group, workforce structures, jobs, or else you can go it from there. Here also you can go it from there. Go to manage work settlement maintenance.
Okay.
Go to this window, open manage implementation projects, manage jobs. Select your implementation project. Manage jobs. Okay, don't select your own one. Select somebody else's. Okay. Manage jobs. Okay. Manage job is no manage jobs. I was writing the plural form.
Okay.
Okay. Right here US underscore manager. Code will be 001. Next. Right here full time, regular, job function academic, level is 1, management level you can write here as senior officer. It's not required. Next. The value system I have showed you.
Okay.
So you can write here 20 points for this. Accountability 30 points. Problem solving 10 points. Okay. Oh no, problem solving 40 points. That's the high, carries the highest point. Okay. And what is the competencies required uh, to like perform this job? We go to profile.
Okay.
Next. This is done. Save. So when we create a job, US_manager search. Sorry.
Our 002, I think, our code. Yeah, you can search by code, no? 002.
Sorry, this was
You
one.
can search. Yeah.
You can see here level, job family, and progression, grade ladder. All these things that you can see here. Context value. All these are descriptive text field. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to enable this descriptive text field, you can enable this descriptive text field. Okay.
Okay.
Captures extra information of predefined speech. They can have two types of segments, global and sensitive segment, that you can decide to use in descriptive text field segment. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the thing. List of descriptive text field. We have job, job family, position, department, location. Job flex field, list of descriptive text field. No, this is the business object. Descriptive per job DFF, per job family DFF, per position DFF, per organization unit, per location DFF.
Okay.
List of extensible flex field. We have pay element information, per job, like per location information, per organization information. Element, we have pay element information, per job flex information, per location information, per organization information. So we have list of extensible flexible fusion. Okay.